I'm walking up at Outpost Estates today. So quiet and so beautiful. Much needed peace. I'm pretty high up. Look at that. And up ahead is Meg Ryan's house. Right there. What a view she has. Wow. Just those beautiful hills. Yeah, I met these people walking who know her, so they told me that's where she lives. But wow, it's really pretty. Nothing too fancy, but wow, what a view. It might be fancy inside, probably is, but look at this monstrosity. I don't know who lives there, but wow. That place is insane. Look at this place. Big gated, giant house on this little hill. Up top, Outpost Estates, Hollywood, California. It's beautiful up here. Super peaceful. With all the commotion right down, 20 minutes down, and you're on Hollywood Boulevard. Crazy. Perfect. I love it. It's beautiful.